college school because I think it challenged us to think deeper. We had to think about how we are aware of health and environmental issues.
I feel projects like these are important in schools because it helps uniting subcultures.
From a practical perspective, we learned a lot about organization and then specialist techniques in producing a music video.
I think it's important for learners to do something other than the usual. A project like this is important because it makes learners take on activities outside of their comfort zone. Here are looks in 3 words, okay? Soulful, energetic, and inspiring.
I would definitely say unique and interesting, and
He's very creative. He is a role model. He's an example. And he's out of the ordinary. That's one word.
Unique and fresh and vivacious. Inspiring, free-spirited, and I would say caring.
I definitely support the Treevolution, and I actually can't believe that there are people who are like whatever about it.
Treevolution, I mean, just listen to the word, it's so cool. How can you not be for it? I mean, I'm a bit of a tree hugger myself, I'm a vegetarian, so I'm all for saving the planet.
I support the Green Pop initiative because when you open a tap in your house, just the water just comes out of the tap, and you often forget where it actually comes from.
It is important to educate people on the importance of clean living in modern society.
It helps to inform teenagers today about the environmental and health crisis we have.
What is cool about the Green Pop initiative is it's not, people are not anxious, they want to make it fun.
Yes, I think teenagers are living healthy, but there are exceptions.
In this video, we have to explore what health really means. I mean, and that it's not really it's not just about how you physically treat your body, it's also mental. I would say teenagers are healthy, but I think they have to exercise more. They are not as healthy as in the past, but I think there are more awareness of how we should live healthier these days. The theme of the video is 2 people from different social environments that find each other and have a positive influence on each other. Our video consists of 2 storylines. The one, a boy and a girl, who sees each other like nobody else does, and they find each other through dance. And the other one is all about things that make you smile. Singing, dancing,